Niagara Falls, a natural wonder that never fails to captivate visitors with its sheer power and beauty. As I stood at the edge of the falls, feeling the mist on my face and hearing the roar of the water, I couldn't help but be in awe of this incredible sight. Planning the ultimate Niagara Falls trip requires some careful consideration and research. With so much to see and do, it's important to make the most of your time at this iconic destination. From the best viewpoints to the most thrilling activities, there are plenty of ways to ensure that your trip is unforgettable. One of the first things to consider when planning your trip to Niagara Falls is where to stay. There are plenty of accommodation options in the area, ranging from budget-friendly motels to luxurious hotels with stunning views of the falls. Whether you prefer to stay on the Canadian or American side of the falls, there are plenty of options to suit every budget and preference. Once you've sorted out your accommodation, it's time to start thinking about how you'll spend your days at Niagara Falls. One of the best ways to experience the falls up close is by taking a boat tour. The Maid of the Mist and Hornblower cruises both offer thrilling boat rides that take you right up to the base of the falls, giving you a unique perspective on their power and majesty. If you prefer to stay dry, there are plenty of other ways to experience the falls. The Journey Behind the Falls tour takes you through tunnels that lead to observation decks behind the falls, allowing you to see and hear the water thundering down from just a few feet away. For a bird's-eye view of the falls, consider taking a helicopter tour or visiting the Skylon Tower for panoramic views of the entire area. In addition to the falls themselves, there are plenty of other attractions to explore in the Niagara Falls area. Clifton Hill is a bustling street filled with restaurants, shops, and entertainment options, making it the perfect place to spend an evening after a day of sightseeing. The Niagara Park's botanical gardens offer a peaceful escape from the crowds, with beautifully landscaped gardens and walking paths that are perfect for a leisurely stroll. For thrill seekers, there are plenty of adrenaline-pumping activities to enjoy in Niagara Falls. Zipline to the Falls offers a unique perspective on the falls as you soar through the air on a zip line that takes you right over the Niagara Gorge. The Whirlpool Aero Car offers a more sedate but no less thrilling experience, taking you on a cable car ride over the swirling waters of the Niagara Whirlpool. Of course, no trip to Niagara Falls would be complete without sampling some of the local cuisine. From traditional Canadian dishes like poutine and butter tarts to international fare from around the world, there are plenty of dining options to suit every taste. Be sure to try some Niagara ice wine, a local specialty that is made from grapes that have been frozen on the vine, resulting in a sweet and flavorful wine that pairs perfectly with dessert. As I stood at the edge of the falls, taking in the sights and sounds of this incredible natural wonder, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to experience such a breathtaking sight. From the thrill of the boat ride to the peaceful beauty of the gardens, Niagara Falls offers something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you're a nature lover, a thrill seeker, or a foodie looking for new culinary experiences, Niagara Falls has something to offer you. So if you're planning a trip to Niagara Falls in 2024, be sure to take advantage of all the incredible experiences that this iconic destination has to offer. With careful planning and a sense of adventure, you can create memories that will last a lifetime at this unforgettable natural wonder. As always, visit bestonlinemerch.com for all your travel needs.